This is the main entrance and the foyer to the villa. We've got two shaded parkings here, some extra spaces, as well as we have two enclosed parking garages with automated door system and beautiful flooring, decorated flooring. And this is the front side of the villa. We also have access to the swimming pool and the outdoor amenities from that side as well. And this is the main entrance. This door is so heavy. This is fully automated door. And the thickness of the door is marvelous. These expansive living spaces with double height ceiling are designed for grand entertaining and intimate moments. This is the perfect balance of elegance and functionality. This kitchen is stunning. So here we've got the main kitchen, which comes with state-of-the-art appliances. Most of the appliances that are built and equipped in this kitchen are from Miele, so they're branded by Miele. We've got a fridge here, Miele branded. We've got a freezer down here as well. And here we've got some expansive shelf area. And here we've got the Nespresso branded coffee machine here. And again, Miele branded oven here. And I mean, look at this tile on this island of the kitchen. This is really, really beautiful. And here we've got invisible induction stove. And here we've got 5 function power outlets here. So in case if we have to use any electrical appliances here. And we've got plenty of cabinets here. And here's the main sink. And down this is filled all of the shelves here. I mean, this kitchen is marvelous. Right from the main kitchen, here is the access to the preparation kitchen, which is fully equipped with all of the necessary appliances we have. Like the Miele gas stove here we have, plenty of cabinets. This stove is 90 centimeter. We've got 2 ovens here. And also we got plenty of cabinets with the main sink there. And here's the access to the laundry room here. We've got 2 machines here. And this laundry room also gives us access from the outside here. So the laundry room is also fully equipped with all of the necessary stuff we need. As we step out to this junction here, here's the maid room, or can be used for driveway as well. And here's the access to the garage parking. So in this villa, we have 2 enclosed garage parking with the decorated flooring as well. And here is again the access to the living area. Here's another living area which have a floor-to-ceiling window which allows this living space with an abundance of natural light here. And we've got a beautiful tree here as well. We can see the main gate, the entrance, and this is also a cozy place, part of the villa. The villa is designed for ease and convenience. So here they have installed the automated system. Through this system, we can control the front gate, the main entry door, and the enclosed garage door, as well as we can control the internal lightings, the air conditioning. These staircase with beautifully designed LED lights and this thick glass as a railing here. And on my right side, this is a mini library here, or bookshelf. And this double height ceiling gives a different touch to the beauty and the serenity of this villa. As we step up here to the first floor, we've got all of the bedrooms here. But look at this beautiful living area here. I can just imagine myself sitting here and watching to this beautiful view from this window. This living area have access to one of the terraces here. I can hear some birds are chirping, and this is a beautiful sun here. So this is one of the terraces here. This is a huge, expansive terrace. And as soon as I close the door, this is a double glazed glass, so I cannot hear any noise or anything at all. They have paid attention to every single thing in this villa when they were building it to make it as a masterpiece. This is one of the bedroom I'm stepping in. So these are timber woods on the ground here. And here another huge window with some space here. And this is the main bed. And we've got plenty of cabinets and wardrobes here. Now, here is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a large window here for plenty of natural optimal light. And 3 of the bedrooms in this villa have its own terraces, except the one we saw. And the master bedroom has access to this terrace here. And the view I cannot explain in words. So this terrace size is slightly less than the one we saw outside. So here's the lake here outside and plenty of trees here. Now the master bedroom has a walk-in wardrobe here with really nice, beautiful designs. This one is transparent wardrobe and this one has a leather inbuilt wardrobe. So what we see, this is a leather skin on the wardrobe. And inside we have a really nice textured wood which gives us this gray color, and this is beautiful. The master bathroom. All of the walls and the flooring are done with the Spanish tiles. So all of these tiles that are inbuilt here were imported from Spain. And this bathroom is huge. This bathtub, we've got 2 sinks, his and hers, and separate shower area as well. Here are the outdoor amenities here. We've got sunken seating here, and we've got a mini kitchen here, which is built in with a barbecue and fire pit area here. We have a sink. This is a cozy place. We see plenty of greenery, plants, and trees here, which gives another touch of serenity to this villa. And here we've got the Infinity Edge temperature-controlled swimming pool. This villa offers 10,780 square feet of plot, which gives us this plenty of space for some garage here, and plenty of other more space we can use for any purposes. So the plot also consists of the swimming pool, the sunken area that we looked into, and that terrace outside. And the built-up for this villa on the ground floor and on the first floor is 6,107, which includes 5 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, laundry room, driver room, maid room, and 2 garage parking enclosed inside the villa. So if you find yourself interested on this beautiful villa, or if you are happy to look into some other options available that I have in Jumeirah Islands, you can just drop a message to me on WhatsApp or leave an email. My contact details are below in the description. Looking forward to taking your inquiry, and see you in another one.